here's the deal. Loan officers, you're gonna love this. Realtors and homeowners, you need to see this. Just trust me, you have to see it. Matter of fact, really anybody buying a house in 2013 needs to see this. It's gonna make sense. It's gonna all make sense. Okay, here we go. Loan officers, how many times a day do you hear this? Why do I have to give you that? Why do I need to give you all my bank statement pages? And you wanna scream back, because I do. I'm the lender. I have to have it. I'm the guy lending the money. I need all your pages, okay? But you don't. And you sit back and you relax, you take a deep breath because you're a professional and you explain to them why you need everything. Then the borrower complies and says, okay, fine, I'm gonna get you what you need, and you finally get to closing. But it's like pulling teeth the whole time. Well, realtors, how many times have you guys taken calls from your buyers saying, oh my goodness, Mrs. Realtor, Larry the lender is driving me insane. He just keeps asking for more and more paperwork. And all you wanna say is, just get him the paperwork so we can go to closing. But you don't. You stay professional and you explain to them why. So, now that we're all brought up to speed, let's do this. Buyers and realtors and really anybody else who cares, this is what's up. This is a uniform residential loan application. Almost all lenders in the US use these forms to take a loan application. So let's take a look. And before we get started, if you fight the process, it can sometimes feel like this. Or like this. But if you work with your lender and realtor, it can sometimes feel like this. Oh, look here, it says you're buying a house. Well, realtors and buyers, we're gonna need a copy of that. And oh, by the way, not like this. Nobody can read that purchase and sale because it's been faxed back and forth like the present that nobody wants at the company Christmas gift exchange. Yes, we need a clear copy. We are lending hundreds of thousands of dollars based off this contract. Yes, I need to be able to read the frickin' address and the purchase price. Capiche? Ooh, this little box says source of down payment. Yes, we actually need to know where you got the money, and no, it can't be booger sugar money and magic mattress money. It has to be money that we can verify. So yes, we're going to need to know where you got that money for the down payment, and yes, we are gonna verify it all. Name, social, and birthday? Yep, we're gonna verify that. Address? Yep, we're gonna verify that. So you rent, huh? Well, we're gonna verify that too. We're gonna send a nice little form to your landlord and they're gonna tell us, well, he or she is a really good person and you should lend them money, or no, they're dirt sticks, don't lend them anything. So it's probably a pretty good idea for you to pay your rent in time. Oh, how about this important little box? It says current employer. Yeah, we need to know you have a job, and yes, you need to keep said job at least until we close. I know that's shocking and all, but we're gonna verify it all. We're gonna send what's called a verification of employment, and we're gonna get some pay stubs from you, and we're gonna get some W-2s from you, and we're gonna verify all of them. Aha, starting to make sense why we need all this paperwork? Yeah, but in 2005, I didn't need any of this, and I told my lender I made $20,000 a month, and he closed my loan. I get it, we get it. That's why millions of people got foreclosed on though, and now we have to verify, verify, verify. When in doubt, remember the amounts. You, Mr. Buyer, are gonna write a check for $5 grand at the end of this, and I'm gonna write a check for $195,000. See my point? Oh, how about this nice little fun section called the assets and liability section? Let's be honest, usually the liability section far outweighs the assets section. You know what I'm talking about. Yep, bank statements and credit cards. It's gonna verify all that for us. How about this little box right here that nobody likes to talk about? Alimony and child support. Yep, you got divorced and you got to pay. So I'm gonna have to see those papers. Yeah, I know it sucks to dig them all up, and I know it sucks to think about your ex because she done did you wrong, but I need to know about it. It's part of your monthly debt load. Oh, and do not get me started on all these yes or no questions. Yep, if you check the box that you've been foreclosed on, we're gonna need that paperwork. And if you're a permanent resident alien, not that type of alien, we're gonna need to know that too. Remember what I said, when in doubt, remember the amounts. You're writing a check for $5 grand, we're writing a check for $195 grand. In all seriousness, guys, it takes a lot to close loans in 2013. Don't take it personal. You just gotta go with the flow and you're gonna be a happy homeowner. It takes a really good realtor and a really good loan officer to close homes in this day and age. Probably the one that happened to send you this video. You do need to remember though, there's hundreds of thousands of dollars at stake. That's why we do all this. Good luck on your home purchase, and we'll see you guys all next week.